Good afternoon, everyone, especially to you, ma'am. To introduce myself, my name is Kenneth Q. Kintanar. I'm 20 years old and currently living at Talisay City. I took the Bachelor of Industrial Technology, major in Interior Design Technology, and I'm currently a third year student. We are four in the family, and my mother and father is at Bohol, and my brother and I is currently at Cebu City. My brother is currently working, so of course I need to stay here in Cebu City so that I could continue studying. Since I'm still a student, I don't have that much of a I don't have that much of a privilege to do some other extracurricular activity. But since I do not have that much of responsibility, I can do things that adults can't do. So to relieve my stress through in academics, I had to do things to make me active. So I usually tend to do some chores in the house. I like to do cleaning. Well, not specifically cleaning, not every scope of cleaning, but when I see something that are in mess, so I usually clean them. I usually organize them, sort it out, sort what we don't need and what I do need. So that's the way that I relieve my stress, and also to cut off time. To be honest, I don't have a lot to expect in this course, because everything that I don't want to expect, because I don't want to be discouraged at the end. But one thing I want to achieve uh, throughout the whole sem is to be able to have the knowledge and to retain it to myself specifically on this course, or specifically on this subject. I want to learn how to be more professional, especially I'm in adulting stage, so it's hard. It's The transition phase is very much of a work. So I hope I would be able to build myself to be more like a mature person, and to be ethical. Especially I am entering into the real world after this after I took this after college. So I hope that I would be able to retain it, and I would be able to apply it in the real world or in the future. As of the moment, I am not yet confident to say that my well-being is complete, or it's at its peak, because I'm still transitioning, or I'm still building myself for the real world, and I am learning things that I can learn especially in college, what I can take from me, what I can take with me throughout the future, or for in the real world, or in the firm, or when I am out of the campus. But what I can say is that I am I am happy, I'm contented, and I have good friends. I have my family supporting me with my what I want to achieve, and my dreams, my goals, and everything is much of at on its track. So I am not really regretting on what I choose. To end this video, I'm Kenneth Kintanar, and I'm looking forward to what I can learn and what I can gain to this course, not to this course, but to the people, or to my classmates, especially to you, ma'am, and what I can learn and what I can grab, so that I could retain it to myself, and I could use it in the future, and I could use it in the professional world. And thank you for sparing the time, and thank you for listening to my self introduction.